Hollywood stars, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's going to be slightly different because I'm going to be showing you how to make Mexican chocolate, hot chocolate. So it's perfect for this weather. So if you want to know how to make this chocolate, then just keep watching. It's super easy. And as always, don't forget to shine bright because it's so Hollywood time. Okay, so this recipe is literally so easy. So you only need 2 ingredients. So you're going to need milk of your choice. This is just a 1% low-fat milk. You can also use like the regular whole milk, 2%, whatever floats your boat. And the key ingredient is you're going to want to be using the how do you pronounce this? Nestle? I don't know. So you're going to want to be using this guy right here. This is the Abuelita hot chocolate. So this is going to last you kind of like a while because it does come with like 6 different tablets in here. So you'll have enough for the winter time. So basically you can find obviously both of these things at your local grocery store. So next you're going to want to get a pot like this. So it's not that big, but something like this. And I also like to keep a whisk at hand. That way I can like whisk it in. So also you're going to want to do a measuring cup. Okay, so basically you're going to want to do measurements. So I have my little measuring cup right here. So this is just the 1 cup measuring. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's just 1 cup. And basically you're going to get a tablet out. So it looks like this. And I'm going to go ahead and just start my pot and start putting it into medium heat. So medium heat. So depending on how much you're going to make, that's how much milk you want to add. So for 1 tablet, you're going to want to add 4 cups of milk. So obviously if you just wanted to make like 2 cups, you just use half of this. I will say this is really hard, so you probably will need a hammer to crush this. So I'm going to go ahead and use my measuring cup, and I'm going to start adding 4 cups into my pot. So now I'm just going to go ahead and unravel this. Also, funny story, I used to love to eat a little bit of this when I was little because I thought it just tasted so good. But this is what it looks like. So I'm going to toss the whole entire thing into the pot. So here it is, and I'm just going to basically throw it in there. Perfect. So I basically threw my tablet in there, as you guys saw. So now you just have to wait for the tablet to dissolve into the milk. But we can go ahead and just speed it up by start to whisk it. So I'm going to go ahead and just keep whisking away, and I'll show you the finished end results. So you can definitely see that it's definitely crushing away, starting to dissolve. Alright, so you can see that most of the chocolate tablet is now dissolved. So now I'm just going to let this come to a boil, and then it should be all ready, guys. Alright, so my hot chocolate is nice and boiling now. So that means that it's ready to serve and enjoy. Alright guys, so there you have it. This is the way you make Mexican hot chocolate, Abuelita hot chocolate. And I just decided to pair this with some coconut chocolate macaroons. I'm so excited to eat this. If you want to see more recipes or more cooking videos, then go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up. So also one more thing I forgot to mention is that sometimes you'll get this little thing on top of your chocolate. So that's totally normal. You can either just take it away or you can just dissolve it right into the chocolate. It's no big deal. And as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!